Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about 3 remote jobs that are available now. So let's get into it. The first company we're looking at is Modernizing Medicine, and they are looking for a patient claims specialist. So, what do? Basically, this is a software company owned by doctors, and they create software for other doctors. So, let's scroll down and look at the position. Modmed is hiring a driven patient claims specialist who will play a pivotal role in shaping a positive patient experience within our passionate, high performing revenue cycle management team. As a critical team member, you will support patients receiving care from Modmed Boost service providers and doctors, ensuring their account needs are met excellently. This direct interaction with our customers' patients make you an integral part of ModMed's business. It opens the door to an exhilarating career path for individuals driven by a passion for healthcare and exceptional customer service with a fast-paced healthcare IT company that is genuinely modernizing medicine. Your role: serve as a primary contact for all inbound and outbound patient calls regarding patient balance inquiries, claim processing, insurance updates, and payment collections. Initiate outbound calls to patients of RCM clients to understand and address any account payment issues, such as a demographic and insurance update. Input and update patient account information and document calls into PM. Special projects, other duties as required. The skills that you'll need: high school diploma, a minimum of 1 to 2 years of previous healthcare administration or related experience required. This is a customer service position, so if you worked in fast food, you pretty much have the experience. Basic understanding of medical billing claim submission processes and working with insurance carriers required. This is easy knowledge to get. You can go right here on YouTube and bring up some training videos. Bilingual, strongly preferred Spanish and English. Preferred, not required. However, if you are bilingual, you may have a leg up on your competition. Proficient knowledge of business software applications such as Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Strong communication and interpersonal skills with an emphasis on the ability to work effectively over the phone, ability and openness to learn new things, ability to work effectively within a team, remain calm, professional demeanor is required, ability to effectively manage time and competing priorities. Let's scroll down to see what the benefits are. Um, let's see. Comprehensive medical, dental, and vision, a 401k, generous paid time off, global presence, in-person collaboration. And as you notice, they don't have the pay in this position. Okay, so they didn't have the pay in the position, so I went and did a little research to dig it up. For the patient claims specialist, the base pay range is between 43,000 to 58,000 a year, and this is Glassdoor. The second business we're looking at is Mindful Care, and they are hiring for a patient experience representative. Okay, a little about the company. Person by person, we believe we can reimagine mental health care for everyone at any point in their lives. We are a human potential brand obsessively focused on guiding the individual toward comprehensive mental health care and being an ally to everyone no matter where they are. We compete on frictionless, urgent access to affordable mental health care, including depression and anxiety, and well beyond that, too. From acute crisis to long-standing challenges, we help people heal by connecting them with care so they can lead more fulfilling lives. I think that was important to read so you know what kind of company this is. The opportunity. The patient experience representative is responsible for assisting all potential new patients with initial assessment scheduling and answering all questions related to mindful care via phone and email. You will play a critical role in strengthening relationships with patients and connecting them to treatment. The role requires a passion for helping others and be able to support and advocate for the best possible patient experience. Responsibilities: interact with prospective patients to connect them to mindful care, answer all incoming calls on a new patient line, contact and schedule all new patient appointment requests, obtain pertinent clinical information and insurance information needed for scheduling, assess patient needs to match the patient to an appropriate treatment, assist caller Patient with questions regarding new patient appointments or referrals, return any voicemails that accrue on the new patient line. Be an advocate for both mindful care and potential patients to ensure the best patient experience. Other tasks as assigned. Candidate profile, that's you. You'll need a high school diploma or equivalent, experience in call center environment. Previous experience in healthcare is preferred, not required. Prior customer service experience, mental or medical health practices preferred, not required. Excellent interpersonal skills and professional manner, strong verbal and written communication skills, ability to schedule appointments, must be well organized, must be able to multitask, must have strong computer proficiency, demonstrate awareness, inclusivity, sensitivity, humility, and experience in working with individuals from diverse ethnic backgrounds, socioeconomic statuses, sexual orientations, gender identities, and other various aspects of culture. This is a regular, full-time, 100% remote position. Here are the hours that they're looking for, and the base salary for this position is $17 an hour. That's where it starts at. If you have more experience, it probably pays a little more. And the third position we're looking at is also with mindful care. So let's scroll down. They're looking for the patient experience representative, but this is the weekend only remote position. So the company information is the same. I will not read that to you again. Let's look at the opportunity. The patient experience representative is responsible for assisting potential new patients with initial assessments, scheduling, and answering calls and questions related to mindful care via phone and email. You will play a critical role in strengthening relationships with the patients and connecting them to treatment. This role requires a passion for helping and being supportive to the patients. It's 100% remote and weekends only. So the responsibilities pretty much the same as the full-time role. Interact with patients, answer incoming calls, contact and schedule all new patient appointment requests, obtain pertinent clinical information and insurance information, access patient needs to match the patient to an appropriate treatment, assist caller patient with any questions regarding new patient appointments or referrals, return any voicemails that accrue on the new patient line, be an advocate for both mindful care and potential patients. Other tasks as assigned by management. Candidate role, high school diploma or equivalent, experience in the call center, prior customer service, strong verbal and written, ability to schedule appointments depending on patient needs, must be well organized and attentive, must have a strong computer proficiency, must be able to multitask, demonstrate awareness, inclusivity, sensitivity, humility, and experience. Must have a reliable computer, must have reliable high-speed internet. Let's scroll down. This is part-time W-2. Schedule every Saturday and Sunday. If you apply for this, I would ask if the expectation is every weekend, or do you get a weekend off if there's opportunity to work during weekdays? Because the way it reads, it seems like your weekends will be tied up. So I would ask. It's 100% remote. This is $16 an hour. And I guess that's firm because it doesn't say starting at. So $16 an hour, part-time weekend position.